Hello, greetings everyone. Happy Republic Day. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? Republic Day is celebrated because on this very day, in the year 1950, our constitution came into being. So we'll talk more about it, but let's go on to other flag hoisting that is happening in our campus, followed by the national anthem.
Start.
This day is observed with festivities that take place in New Delhi, and I hope that because I remember as a child being glued to the TV to watch this wonderful parade, but this year these activities and the parade are a little subdued, will be muted of course because of the corona, the pandemic that we are fighting, but nevertheless the festivities will go on. To tell us more about this, about the Republic Day, of course, we have Aarti ma'am, who's a senior computer teacher. Over to you, ma'am. Please enlighten us about Republic Day.
Freedom in the mind, strength in the words, pureness in our blood, pride in our souls, and zeal in our hearts. Let's salute our country, India, on this Republic Day. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the whole galaxy of Indian Heritage School, Pathankot, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is our country's 72nd Republic Day that commemorates the commencement of the Constitution of India on January 26, 1950. Consistently, the national occasion is celebrated with lots of joy and bliss to make the occasion beautiful and memorable. It was on January 26, 1950 that the Constitution of India came into impact, and this day is celebrated as the National Day with lots of joy. We all know that India got its independence on August 15, 1947. Yet the country did not have its very own constitution. Rather, it was represented under the laws executed by the British. Nonetheless, after numerous consultations and revisions, an advisory group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar presented a draft of the constitution which was adjusted on November 26, 1949 and authoritatively came into effect on 26 January 1950. Republic signifies the power which is supreme. On what rests the hope of the Republic? It's one country, one language, and one flag. This day gives us the message of solidarity, equality, and harmony. We are Indians, and firstly and lastly. On this day, the President hosts the national flag and delivers the Republic Day speech. Every school, college, and office takes keen interest in the celebration of the Republic Day. After all, this day is all about enthusiasm, huge respect, understanding the sacrifices of the freedom fighters, and hugely celebrating our freedom. We did not get our independence in a flash, but it took many decades and numerous struggles of the freedom fighters to attain independence. Let's remember their sacrifices. Thousands laid down their lives that our country is breathing this day today. Yes, it's 26 January today, the historical day to remember our freedom fighters who struggled a lot to give us a republic nation. With this, I once again congratulate you all on this Republic Day. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. So every year we invite a distinguished personality from another country to grace the occasion on Republic Day. But sadly, this year, no such personality would be gracing the occasion with their presence. But do any one of you remember that who was our first guest on the Republic Day? So keep guessing. Up until then, we'll go to Sonika ma'am. She's our Hindi teacher for the juniors, and ma'am is going to sing for us. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you, Sonika ma'am. That was a melodious song by ma'am telling us about how our karma is important for our motherland. Okay, so I'd asked you a question that who was our first chief guest on the Republic Day in the year 1950? So it was the first president of Indonesia, invited by our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, why he invited? Because they shared a similar anti-colonial ideology, of course. And of course, he wanted Sukarno to tell that how was their struggle with the Dutch people and how Indonesia got its freedom from the Dutch. Okay, so moving on further, we have Vani Kumar. She's from class 9 and she has a speech for us. So let's see what Vani has to say. Vani.
Today, let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be an Indian. Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends, I am here in front of you all to deliver a speech on Republic Day. As a child, we have always been taught to sing songs of patriotism on this day. We are very proud of the nation that has given us so much, and most importantly, the sense of being. One's identity is almost vague without his nationality. We celebrate Republic Day to commemorate the day Indian Constitution was enforced. It was enforced on 26th of January 1950. This date is a landmark in Indian history. It took great hard work for great leaders, thinkers, educationists, and the well wishers to draft the Indian Constitution. We still look back at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to thank him for inculcating such noble ideas in our Constitution. It's the lengthiest on the paper Constitution of the world. This was the day when India became a republic and a sovereign state in true sense. It's necessary to reminisce the ideas the Constitution was framed on, the ideas of liberty, fraternity, equality, justice, and so on. Let's take an oath to keep them alive in our lives. Let's not forget the Gandhi's ideas of non-violence. Let's keep their values alive in us. Let's not forget the hard struggles. Let's not negate how India had to undergo the stringent oppression. Let's make our country a better place to live in. Dear friends, we are the young soul of the nation. The revolutions lie inside you. You are more powerful than you would ever be. Fill your hearts with the zeal to do something good for our country, for its people. Let us all join our hands to build a corruption free and a poverty free society. Let's gift this world to people who once had dreams for our India and to us. The present of India, the future of India. Thank you.
That was informative, Vani. Thank you so much. Okay, so next we have a patriotic song from Rajni ma'am. She takes up bio for the senior classes, and ma'am has a song from the movie Razi. So over to you, Rajni ma'am.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Rajni ma'am, for invoking that patriotic fervor in all of us. Harpreet ma'am is our senior Hindi teacher, and let's see what Harpreet ma'am has to say about Republic Day. Harpreet ma'am.
भारत 26 जनवरी 2021 को अपना 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने जा रहा है। हर वर्ष भारतवासी ये दिन बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, बिल्कुल एक त्योहार की तरह। हमारे देश को आज़ादी मिलने के बाद 15 अगस्त 1947 को जब हमारे देश को, भारत को आज़ादी मिली, उसके बाद 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश का संविधान लागू हुआ और इस दिन गणतंत्र दिवस, ये दिन जो है गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। और इस दिन सभी भारतवासी बिना किसी धर्म, बिना किसी पंथ, बिना किसी जाति की परवाह के ये जो दिन है बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, खुशी से मनाते हैं ये दिन। हमारे देश को आज़ाद हुए 72 वर्ष हो चुके हैं और इन 72 वर्षों में हमारे देश में बहुत सारे सुधार हुए हैं, लेकिन अभी भी कुछ कमियां जो हैं हमारे देश में पाई जाती हैं। और ये कमियां साक्षरता की कमी, बेरोजगारी, गरीबी, ये मुद्दे जो हैं अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुए हैं। और इनको ख़त्म करने के लिए सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति जो है वो ही जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले सकता। हम सब भारतवासियों को मिलजुल कर जो है अपने देश को आगे बढ़ने के लिए और इन मुद्दों से बाहर निकलने के लिए जो है कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी और प्रण लेना पड़ेगा कि हम अपने देश को जो है एक विकसित देश बना सकें। आज भी हमारा देश जो है वो एक विकासशील देशों की सूची में आता है, विकसित नहीं है, पूर्ण रूप से विकसित देश नहीं बन पाया है। तो ये हमारा फर्ज है या ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, प्रत्येक भारतवासी की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझे, अपने देश के प्रति उसकी क्या क्या जिम्मेदारियां हैं उसको समझें। अक्सर हम अपने अधिकारों की बात करते हैं, हमारे ये अधिकार हैं, हमारे ये अधिकार हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी जिम्मेदारियां जो हैं अपने देश के प्रति भूल जाते हैं। शायद यही कारण है कि अभी भी हमारे देश में बहुत सारी कमियां पाई जाती हैं। तो हम सबको मिलकर ये प्रण करना चाहिए कि हम सब मिलजुल कर किस प्रकार से अपने विकासशील देश को एक विकसित देश बना सकें।
Thank you so much, Harpreet ma'am. And now we have Shelja ma'am. She takes up sciences for the middle school, and ma'am is going to sing Vande Mataram for us.
Happy Republic Day, all of you. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhro Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini सुमधुर भाषिणी, सुखदां वरदां मातरं, वन्दे मातरं, वन्दे मातरं, वन्दे मातरं। Thank you.
That indeed was wonderful, Shelja ma'am. Now we have Meghna ma'am. She's our senior commerce teacher, and ma'am would be singing a patriotic song too in praise of our motherland.
I wish you a very happy Republic Day, everyone. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई, देता ना दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था, धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला। मेरा भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले।
Thank you, Meghna ma'am. That was beautiful. Now we have another song from Mahua ma'am, Shalja ma'am, and Prerna ma'am.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दीवानी, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली। संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। Happy Republic Day.
Thank you to our lovely teachers. Thank you. Of course, we got to know that Constitution came into effect on this very day in 1950. We got to know that how we celebrate, how these celebrations begin on 26th Jan, but they end on 29th of Jan when there's a beating retreat on Vijay Chowk, and the chief guest is the President of India. He comes on with his cavalry unit and he has his bodyguard. bodyguards with him, and this unit is then asked to give a national salute, and after that, national anthem takes place. So now we have Mr. Enoch Messi from Dehradun, all the way from Dehradun, and of course he's going to sing for us.
Wish you a very happy Republic Day to you. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The walk hand in hand, the walk hand in hand, the walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
What a stupendous performance. Marvelous, sir. So, Enoch sir is our music teacher, by the way. Thank you so much, sir. I hope all of you would have enjoyed this program put up by all our staff members. So, up until the next time, just take care of yourself, be safe, be healthy, and just follow all the guidelines given by the government. And hope to see you all soon in person. Take care of yourself and happy Republic Day.